Hello, today we are solving Jan 2026 Unit 2 IAL Edexcel paper. Question number 5. You are the financial accountant for the Sparkkle Electronics PLC. The extracts from the statements of financial position at the end of 2 financial years are shown below. Okay. Here for 2024 and 2025, the financial statement of financial position is given, and but they have also got some additional information which we have to include on correct the financial statement of position. Now part A of the question says that prepare for the year ended 31st December 2025 the following accounts. P property plant and equipment account, it's called as PPE account. What is a property plant and equipment account? Okay, so we have to prepare that. So here we can see that or it's an asset account. Okay, so it's going to start, okay, the balance on the debit side. Okay, the balance on the debit side, and any purchased plant equipment, property plant or equipment purchase will appear on the debit side, and any disposals it's going to appear on the credit side, and then we will have to balance it out. So now let's write this. This is the debit side. Okay, this is the debit side, and this is your going to be your credit side. Now the balances, okay, the balance is given here. The property plant and equipment, okay, the balance, okay, at the beginning was 9658,500. This was the beginning balance as on 31st on 1st Jan 2025. Okay, we can start like that. So it is 1st Jan 2025, the balance brought forward. Okay, the balance brought forward, balance BD, okay, is equal to 9658,500. This was the beginning balance. Okay, then what happened here, the additional information has come in, so that's why we are being asked to prepare. Here all the property plant and equipment is kept in the property plant and equipment account at cost. Okay, and then all the sales of non-current assets are through the disposals of non-current assets account. On 26th May 2025, plant was bought for 326,500. So on 26th May, okay, a new plant was added. So let's write that here. So 26th May 2025, plant so this is going to be reflected in your bank. Okay, the double entry is either bank. This is a plant account. Okay, and the value is 326,500. Then on 22nd June 2025, property that cost 1980 with a depreciation to the date of 225,000 was sold for 1812,000. So then on 22nd June 2025, okay, there was a disposal. So it will go into the disposal account. Okay, so it's going to go into the disposal account. So the value is disposal account. Okay, the double entry for the property is disposal account because this is disposed. So the cost value you will enter. So the cost is this much amount. Okay, then it says that on 14th July 2025, equipment that cost 453,000 with a carrying value of 212,000 was sold for 193,000 pounds. So this is another disposal. Okay, this was sold. So this one again a is going to go into the disposal account, and this happened on 14th July 2025. Okay, so the amount is, the cost of the equipment was 453,000. Okay, 453,000. And then, so these are the things. Okay, patent is not a not going to come, it's an intangible asset. So these are the things. Now we have to balance it out, but the balance at the ending was given as 7,552,000. So that was a beginning balance. So as on Jan 2025 and as on Jan 2026, the balance brought forward. Okay, they have also we can get from the financial statement of financial position, that was 7,552,000. Okay, 7,552,000. Now this will also be the balance carried down as on 30th. Okay, this will be the balance carried down as on 31st December 2025. So the value will be the same. Now let's add up the totals. Okay, so 9,658,500 plus 326,500, that is going to be equal to 9985,000. So 9985,000. And on this side the total has to be the same. So 1980 plus 453,000. Okay, plus 7,552,000. So that is equal to 9985,000. So this is how you will do the proper